Hi, my name is Shannon with Direct Carpet. Today we're putting in carpet runner treads only. So first things first is I have measured my stair from the riser around to the bottom underneath, which was 1 foot 1/4. So I have cut my stair 1 foot 1/4. I've left I have the sewn edge here and the sewn edge here. We're going to line this up. We're not using underpad for this. This is the demonstration with no underpad. There is another video with underpad. We're going to center our piece of cardboard. We've got 4 1/4 there, and from our post here, we've got 3. So let's come into 3 1/2. There we go, 3 1/2 inches. 3 1/2 inches. So that is centered there. We're going to flip our little tab in here. We're going to wiggle this in so that we don't have any marks. We're going to flip the other tab in on the other end. We're going to wiggle it, pop that in, and then you can see it's a little loose on here. Let's just put a staple in, wiggle it, 1 there, 1 in the middle, and 1 there. And if you feel that this is popping up a little bit too much, feel free to put in a staple every inch or so. So now we've got it here. We're going to pull this tight. We're going to wrap this around underneath. Now what I like to do is I like to pre-form these ends, just because it makes it a lot easier to staple that up underneath. So we've done our form. We're going to go underneath, and we're going to pop 1 staple there on the end. And then I'm going to put a staple every 1.5 inches or so while I'm pulling this way, pulling this tight and wrapping. Now if you're using underpad, you would do the same. And then everywhere where it's kind of folding down, you want it to be up. So let's go a staple every inch, pulling, wrapping, pulling, and wrapping. Finally getting to the end, and that's it.